Hello class, this is the last video number 5 of Google Sites, module number 8, AEP 873. This is Trent Speck talking, and I'm talking on this video of how to share and different permissions to set. The reason this is so important is, say I'm teaching with a couple other teachers on this subject, or maybe I'm cross-curriculum where I'm talking, me and the social studies teacher are talking about personal finance and economics, and we're kind of diving into that kind of realm of things, and we want to do different topics, and we don't want to cover the same thing, but we want to know what each other is talking about. So what we can do is go right here to sharing and permissions. So go to the little widget up here, more actions, sharing and permissions, and we can share it with whoever I want, and I can put in their email. Right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. I think this is what it comes to automatically, is anyone at FHSU can find and edit this. I'm going to change that. I think that's too much where it's almost too public. I'm going to go with anyone with a link. So how I would probably do this is send a link via email, or maybe on Google Classroom or something like that, where they can follow the link and then they can access it, and then it'll pop up from there. And then I could also put view can edit. I'm going to make where my classes can just view it for now. If I change it to edit, I could. If I go right here, I could on to anyone can find and access. That's just too broad for me. Okay, so and then I could also enable page level permissions, where you can edit maybe the home page, or I don't want you to touch the home page. You can edit maybe the chapter 1 where you can add comments or something like that. But for now, I can access it right here. Hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully you guys are good with that. Like I said, thank you for joining in, and hopefully you guys enjoyed these tutorials.